Call it professional hazard or job responsibility. I had to watch Netflix की नई सीरीज, Netflix India की नई सीरीज भाग बिनी भाग, starring स्वरा भास्कर. And with this series also Netflix India का bad content spell continues. Because भाग बिनी भाग नाम से तो लगती है like भाग मिल्खा भाग, पर उससे कोसों दूर है और इसके कई सारे reasons हैं. सबसे पहले it's dubbed as a romantic comedy, but it has neither. It does justice to none of it. कॉमेडी के नाम पर आपको 2 या 3 सीन्स गिन कर मिलते हैं जहां पर इट इन्वोक सो मच एज ओनली अ चकल आउट ऑफ यू, और रोमांस के नाम पर आपको मिलती है ऑकवर्ड किसिंग और बहुत ही पैशनेटलेस मेकआउट सीन्स. दे आर सो क्रिंज वर्दी बोथ द कॉमिक पार्ट्स and the romantic parts that you really feel why something like this has been put out by Netflix. Especially because जब इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पर इंटरनेशनल कंटेंट का जो लेवल है वो इतना ज़्यादा हाई है और जहाँ पर इंडिया कंटेंट की बात आती है तो we get to see these run of the mill extremely poorly written characters and stories. So what is Bhag Bini Bhag all about? It's about this runaway bride जिसका नाम है Bini, and she runs away from the first day of her roka because she wants to be a stand-up comedian. After that, the entire show is about how she tries to become a stand-up comedian, but like her mother only puts it, Bini is not funny. And that's really the crux of this entire series. Bini is not funny when it's supposed to be such a funny show. Swara Bhaskar looks better in this show than she has looked ever in the past, but acting ke मामले में she is quite a failure. I'm sorry to say, but Swara really needs to concentrate on her acting rather than only getting embroiled into controversies on Twitter. इस शो में बहुत सारी इनकन्सिस्टेंसीज भी है. लाइक फॉर द फर्स्ट 5 episodes it doesn't really go anywhere. It keeps going into the loop of Swara Bhaskar's character trying to do something with her life in the field of being a stand-up comedian, but she doesn't really get anywhere, neither does the show. After the end of the 4th episode, there seems to be some redemption for the show, but by then it's too late. स्क्रिप्ट और डायलॉग्स में भी बहुत सारी इनकन्सिस्टेंसीज और लूप होल्स है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन स्वरा भास्कर इज गोइंग टू गेट मैरिड टू दिस रियली hot shot Punjabi guy, a father who is quite a middle class man. He's first looking for a suit for his jamai जो 8,500 का है, and suddenly then he turns around and says नहीं हम भी इनको कुछ बड़ा दे सकते हैं, and he gives him a Rolex worth 2 lakh rupees. And this is just one example. There are so many such sequences that just don't add up. शो में स्वरा के अलावा बहुत सारे दूसरे एक्टर्स भी हैं. लाइक आई सेड देयर इज मोना अम्बेगांवकर एंड गिरीश कुलकर्णी जो उनके पेरेंट्स का रोल प्ले करते हैं. मोना अम्बेगांवकर इज गुड, but Girish Kulkarni, sad to say, he comes across as quite creepy, quite frankly. इनके अलावा there is stand-up comedian Varun Thakur. He also isn't funny in this case. In fact, मुझे ऐसा लगा that he's stuck into this whole zone of spoofing for Shah Rukh Khan because right from the time where he did that spoof song for AIB with Kangana Ranaut, he seems to have stuck into that zone of acting like Shah Rukh Khan. और इस show में भी वो वही कर रहे हैं. Then there is another comedian called Dolly Singh, जिनको आपने कुशा कपिला के साथ कई सारे YouTube वीडियोज़ में और Netflix पे भी देखा होगा. She is good as a first timer, as the BFF of the main character of Swara Bhaskar, but again, nothing to really salvage the show. And needless to say, she's far funnier in her own videos than in this film. And then there's this American actor who is also the creator of the show, जिनका नाम है Ravi Patel. He has cast himself well in the show, but then again, there's no chemistry between him and Swara Bhaskar either. Well, in the end, I felt that the show is not able to decide whether it wants to be a social commentary and preach you or it wants to be a comedy and a romantic drama, because it really doesn't achieve any of these things, and in the end it just remains quite a boring show. So entertainment value is missing by a large measure. The only thing different in this show was the whole stand-up comedy wala setup, and that also they couldn't explore really too well. They could have shown us the life of stand-up comedians, but throughout the show Swara Bhaskar only remains an unfunny character who's just trying to make you laugh but doesn't achieve that. Well, I'm sure मेरे रिव्यू से पहले भी आप ये शो देखने वाले तो थे नहीं, बट अगर आप में से कोई अगर सोच भी रहे हो तो run as far as you can from this idea of watching this show. Well, there's no point really rating this show, but just for the sake of consistency, I would like to rate it 2 stars out of 5, just for the attempt of showing us the life of comedians, stand-up comedians, and trying to be funny. Well, if you still end up watching the show, then please let me know your review in the comment section. If you like my content, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching.